The fate of a Native American culture that disappeared 7 centuries ago may have been uncovered in an unexpected location. It has long remained a mystery why the Anasazi, meaning ancient ones, vanished from Colorado's Mesa Verde National Park without a trace in the 13th century. Experts studying the DNA of ancient turkey bones have found that the group, also known as the ancestral Puebloans, may have moved out of their homeland to what is now New Mexico. The find would confirm a long-standing theory and the legends passed down by the Tua tribe, believed to be the surviving ancestors of this lost civilization. A team of researchers, including the University of Oklahoma, decided to compare DNA of domesticated animals like dogs and turkeys from 2 sites. The scientists believed that they could provide evidence of ancient migration and reveal what happened to the Anasazi. They revealed that around 1270 AD, some form of hardship, perhaps caused by political upheaval or climatic conditions, drove the ancestral Puebloans out of the Mesa Verde. They journeyed east into what would become northern New Mexico, where they mixed with other populations and became the Tua people. Speaking to Science, Tribal Historic Preservation Officer Bruce Bernstein said, "People don't need their own history to be verified by archaeology, but they are interested in having science work alongside them, not in spite of them." This is a good example of work that fills in some gaps in what Tua people have talked about. The Anasazi were a pre-Columbian civilization that thrived in the U.S. from around 200 AD until 1300 AD, when they disappeared. They were one of the Pueblo people who once occupied the Four Corners region of the southwestern United States. They built stone buildings and lived in large caves or alcoves that could be easily defended. In the 13th century, the Anasazi built huge structures into the sandstone cliffs of the Mesa Verde. To discover their fate, the team extracted mitochondrial DNA, which is inherited from the mother, from turkey and dog bones uncovered at the site. This was compared to bones from presumed post-migration sites in New Mexico. Experts tested the haplogroups, clusters of genes which cling together if they are inherited, that make them useful for comparing ancestry. Although the dog bones proved to be of no help, the turkey bones show that there had been a huge influx of new DNA into the northern Rio Grande area of New Mexico around the turn of the 14th century. Prior to 1280 AD, the turkeys had completely different matriarchal lineages, but the two blended after this date.